Can we recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel? In this video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can recover a permanently deleted YouTube channel, even if it's been a while, so let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply open your web browser and simply go to youtube.com/support and simply tap on enter. Now simply tap on fix a problem and tap on get help with YouTube. Once you've done that, you may be able to simply get a form or appeal form. If you can't find the form, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal bars at the top, scroll down and tap on submit feedback, tap on next, and you'll get an appeal form that you can simply fill up. Just provide them all the information that you have. The YouTube team might be able to restore your channel if the deletion was recent and unintentional. Once you've done that, you can provide all the screenshots as well and simply send to the YouTube support team. So that's how you can try to recover an old permanently deleted YouTube channel. It's not always possible, but contacting support only gives you the best shot.